Hi guys, today we will explain about inviting a friend on Temu. This is a simple task. The first thing is open your Temu application. Once it will be open, take a look on the bottom of your mobile screen. Here you will see few options. From this option you have to tap on this option You. And here you can see the option on the last number, earn credits and free gifts. Maybe this option is not available, then what you have to do, simply tap on this setting icon which is on the right top, and here tap on this option country and region, and make sure your selected country and region is United States, because once you will select United States, then this option will be available in your application. And once this option will be enabled, just tap on it. I will tap on this option redeem credit, and below you can see the option refer new app user. Just tap on it, and here share this with your friend and invite them on Temu, and once they will join, you will both get rewards by Temu, and it was the fundamental way by which you can do it easily.